Now, I met someone in the park just then, and apparently the gum tree pies here are as good as the Guildford pies. So let's go find out. Right, let's give it a go. Pastry's very good, but it's very different to the Guildford. The Guildford's more crusty and a lot more butter. This is more like kind of puff pastry-ish, or a bit of filling. Now here it is. This is the steak and red wine. Mmm. Yum. Look at that. It's chunky, chunky beef. Like I say of the Guildford pies, it's like they take a T-bone steak, cut the meat off the bone and put all the meat in the pie. These are just the same. Look at all that. And it's so tender, not chewy at all. It's beautiful. All the way through. Yeah, so heartily recommend gum tree pies in Yackandandah. The Guildford pies are $7, $7.50, and they're exceptional. They're exceptionally good flavour, they're exceptionally good pastry, they're exceptionally good value at $7.50, because down in the city you're probably paying $12, $15 or something like that, which won't be as good. So here in Yackandandah, these are, well, this one is as good as what I've had in Guildford, and they're only $6.50, so even better. So I'm afraid to say that the Yackandandah pie from the Gumtree Pies shop beats the Guildford General Store, which means I'm just going to have to come here more often. Back when I was a field ecologist, one of the things that used to influence me and my boss that I was working with as to where we would choose our field sites was how good was the local pub. I filmed this a while ago when we were on a family trip up to the Beechworth, 𝗏𝗏𝗏, Yackandandah area. The videos for the family stuff are on my original channel, 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗏. There's going to be some prospecting videos on Mad Scientist Prospecting here. And just one thing to finish off with, Gumtree Pies doesn't know that I'm doing this review. I'm going to post it on their Facebook page if they've got one, but I just like giving a shout out to stuff that I like and appreciate it. So they haven't paid me, they didn't give me a free pie or anything like that. I just really like their pie that I have, and I'm planning a trip back up there. Got to find me a place to find some gold near Yackandandah so that I've got an excuse to eat their pies. If you want to see those videos when they come out, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if you want to see the other stuff, check out the other channels I do, including the workshops that I've got to get back to, because I've been spending most of my time prospecting lately and not working on the workshop. So catch you guys later. Bye bye.
Can I have a go?
No. Right, so we are at Yackandandah.
Hi.
Camping up here, and I've got a splinter off the tent pole, and it hurts. I didn't get it out last night, and my finger's starting to swell up.
Really?
Really.